In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to make the header and footer smaller on your Wix website. This process is simple and easy to follow, but it can make a huge difference in the overall look and feel of your site. Firstly, you need to start by accessing your Wix editor. Find the header area of your website by moving your cursor to the uppermost section of your web page. Once you have positioned your cursor over the header, just left-click on it. It's as simple as that. After clicking the header, you should notice a feature that Wix calls the stretch handle. It's an orange up and down arrow that appears at the bottom of your header section. This stretch handle is what allows you to adjust the size of your header. To make your header smaller, left-click on this arrow, hold down your mouse button, and drag it upwards. The more you drag the handle up, the smaller your header becomes. You might notice that some elements in the header section are taking up too much space, causing the header to appear large, even after using the stretch handle. In this situation, you can easily adjust the elements by moving them closer to each other to make them more compact. This can be achieved by simply dragging them towards each other. Making the elements compact provides more room to lift the stretch handle and thus reduce the size of your header. After making necessary adjustments to your header, it's time to work on the footer. Start by scrolling to the very bottom of your web page in the editor, then left-click on the footer area. Just like with your header, an orange stretch handle will appear at the bottom of the footer to help adjust its size. Click and hold on the stretch handle, then drag it upwards to make the footer smaller. Finally, take note that the size of the footer might still be larger than desired due to the content within it. You may have to adjust the size of your content and any strips that exist within the footer to make it even smaller. You can do this by removing any empty spaces or rearranging items present in the footer. This, in turn, will allow more room to pull the stretch handle upward, thus making your footer smaller and your website more streamlined and visually appealing. By following this tutorial, you should be able to make your header and footer smaller in your Wix website, contributing to a cleaner and more minimalist design. It's all about making small adjustments to the elements in your header and footer and using the stretch handle effectively. Have fun experimenting and shaping your website according to your preference.